Alright mate, let's look here. DNT, what do we think happens now? You bought it to crash, the bottom of the crash after getting stopped out. Yeah, very interesting. Well, the fact that it came down here and actually took out, stop wanted the lows, took all the stops here. That is a decent sign. I suppose there's an example here, not the same because we had a big base, but the large. This is a decent example here as well. The next day we actually had a big move higher and negated a lot of that, but it was in a strong downtrend, and of course it rolled over again. But it would be very nice if somehow this could hold here and pop back up and see some major strength. This could be the washout that it needed to break up out of that base. It's been looking very good, as we know. We've been following this. I might even still own a bit of this. I'm not too sure. I need to check. But a lot of times this is exactly what it's needed, before a move up. So if these altcoins could turn bullish here again, I still like this. I definitely still like this. I think it's tricky. I mean, it probably needs a new 3-day candle, and a new 3-day candle is also a new weekly candle. If you're bought down here, I would have a stop at break even. If you bought the lows of that crash, I would have a stop at break even probably, just in case, because you just never know. Sometimes it could actually spark a bigger downtrend. That's the problem with these large rejections. It can be tricky to know. So in a bull market, they will get negated, and then price will go higher. Bull markets happen after crashes, when these things recover, and then it moves into a bullish market. But if it's actually a true bear market, then of course that crash can lead to further crashes. So we just need to keep our eyes peeled. At this point, this is a doji. It's a double doji candle, double doji 2-week candles. There's 2 of them. You can see here, and this is indecision. This is indecision. So we've had 2 of them now. So I would say the new 2-week candle in 1 day. Sorry, this is monthly I'm looking at here. Yeah, forget that. I was talking. I thought, well, it's the same actually on the 2-week. We have 3 2-week indecision candles. So you would have to think next week is the week that it's going to make that decision to move. Like you can see here, there was an indecision candle right on here, and then the next week it popped up higher and ran. We have 3 of these in a row, which is well, it's a bit of an awkward situation, but it must be ready. You have to think it's ready. So I would have my stop at break even. If this opens up and flips green on a new 2-week, I will be buying this as well. I still believe it's got a very good chance to pump, but you just need to be careful.